Whoa, this is a screen. Monitor. Can you ever have too many lamps in your house? No, I don't think so. Let's clean this. Because we have a new monitor setup coming. Whoa, this is a screen. Monitor. Oh gosh, she's a heavy one. It was huge. Let's see how much I can build before I have to leave for my class.
Channel my rage for you.
Wait, that was scary! That is so sick. It's so much better now. Oh my gosh. This riser is gorgeous. Do you see that? With all of my little anime figures and all of my work laptop is tucked underneath and just knickknacks here and there. But I do want to get like a desk cabinet to store of these like files and documents behind here. But yeah, like so far I am so happy with this. Another unboxing. Oh my gosh, I'm really excited about this lamp. I feel like at this point I'm just basically collecting all IKEA lamps that I like. This is the shape. This is the beige color. Okay, let's hope I can build this, not like last time. Our entryway lamp. That was embarrassing. Can you ever have too many lamps in your house? No, I don't think so. I don't think that's possible. The more lamps, the better. More small lights, the better. And it just adds like so much to the space, you know? Hey, space done. The actual cord. Yep, that's it. That clicks in. Okay, that's it. That is her. Let's put this in our office. Excited to test this out. Oh my god, the lighting is so much better compared to yesterday because I built all of this during the night or evening time, but this is just so much better. I love daylight. I'm gonna move this. And I am thinking I'm gonna put it here or here. So, ta-da! There she is. That is so cute. I think it's gonna look so good in this space and just adds like more lighting, you know? I'm just gonna put these away for now. And this will go like right here. Oh. Oh my gosh, so much better. Wow, wow, wow. Or here, but I think behind here is a good one. So cute. And that just provides just like more lighting and it just makes it look so much brighter on this side because we have the lamp on this side. Okay, let me just show you what it looks like right now. Ta-da! This is kind of where I put her. I think it's so cute. Let me just close the laptop. So that's where she is for now. I like it. I like that there's like more space here for me to like put things if I need to. But yeah, I think it just like provides more lighting on this side because obviously we have this lamp over here in this corner. So that's kind of what I want, just for this to be lit up a bit more, like this side to be brighter and lit up to kind of balance out this thing. And I think it's gonna look really good in the evening as well. So this is very exciting stuff. Ta-da! I love her. That is so cute. Okay.
I think the chili oil.
Anyways, I'm going to give Jason this laptop stand riser thing, and then because I already have the new one, so I'll gift it him this one. Oh, this is so nice to have like all the cords in one place. This is such a game changer, guys. This is so nice. Oh my gosh. I love organization. So great. I love that for me. Okay.
You have won over the hardest Bridgerton progress.
Oh, look at that.
Eloise will not stop talking about you.
Nice.
She says you're most well read. I have always wanted to speak. That's my lips.
Ta-da!
I am.
Woohoo! Time to put her
It will
in
benefit
the
her. She will not
office.
like. Don't worry that doing something for myself is.
Love to store it. Wait. Okay, I don't know where to put this maple tree, but we're gonna build it soon. Oh, oops. Oh my gosh, it's so much more organized now. It's kind of crazy how much storage this can store stuff. How much storage this has. Love it. So happy. Yes. See if I like the color. Yeah, I like the color. Ooh, okay, that's really pretty. It's like muted. Oh yeah, I like that. I like using colors, like this beige color. Okay, let's go set her up in the office right now. Actually, I do like that it's just plain wood, but I do want something to protect it, so hence the desk mat, and also for this house, it's just better with the desk mat. So this is the beige color. Wow. Oh my gosh. It goes with the desk so well. Like actually, yo, that is actually gorgeous. God damn, she is pretty gorge. Okay, I love her. She is on, and I love her. Let's see what she. I feel like eventually I would change this keyboard to one that has more beige and brown. That's kind of the vibe that I was going for. So yeah, when that day comes, this is gonna be like complete. But for now, like I love this look. This is what she looks like. This is the matte. It's actually blending really well with the wood. Almost too well. I think this is like pretty much the same color, but I like that it's very muted and neutral. So yeah, I like it. This is the setup for now.